Una welcome.
do?
Una welcome. No, nothing much. I just the emotion. He's touching me somewhere in the spinal cord. You understand? He took me somewhere where, you know. But I appreciate that song, go. You understand? That kind of song where after so much stress, after wala, you just enter house, you just see your boo, you know, everybody just do alright. Just play. No, they do that face now. That face now. that face ain't gonna do. Come and say, "As ready for this." No, I'm not going there. Actually, no, that moment where you just want chill. You know, just stay. You know, your food day. You just want cuddle. The song they play. You and your husband or you and your wife, and just do alright. You know,
I can chop.
They chop. You know, and everything just do okay.
That one I can chop again.
And then 9 months later, una born, and you know so many things. And so you get so basically that, nothing much, you know. why people always expecting that one third world war? You are no, calm down, man. What's wrong to you? Oh my God. Okay.
I remember when I recorded that song for studio.
Yeah.
I almost won't cry.
You.
As in almost. It song.
He touched you somewhere too.
Yes.
Seriously. But seriously, I did notice Yoruba they plenty inside most of your lyrics, you know, and but you na Igbo girl. Say, waiting the influencer. And now I try to think now because
I see they ask you one day say, you will be Igbo girl, Yoruba. Yemi will be Yoruba, Igbo. How come? I said, I don't know. I grew up for Lagos now.
Are you na K2 that side that year?
I grew up for Lagos. So... I grew up among Yoruba people.
Okay.
You know, so
okay.
now Yoruba like almost every time.
So naturally,
so it's very easy for me to just put Yoruba inside.
Okay, you know what you could do now?
Waiting.
You could just hail people for Yoruba. Just hate them.
You won't cause wahala now.
No, not be saying anyone. You feel add Mbati inside though. If you don't add Igbo, but forget. You understand? You don't look that camera. You just gist them for say, oh yeah. Give it to them. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it.
Which I will give it to them when they
talk. Sorry. Yeah, say it to them. Say it to them.
Better. Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
Chai.
Ṣé wàá pa?
Chai.
Ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ ń dùn? Also, I wait till you right again.
No, you try. No,
men are clap for me now.
Okay, clap for her.
Clap,
you dey mice on me. You dey big before you speak Yoruba. But when they speak Yoruba, you're like say that area.
The greet the blessing they want them.
You know all those boys for area. Now greeting nobody be like curse. I say like threatening. Close share. One to keep upper court the war. Yeah. But on a greeting.
Funny enough, some people they greet themselves like that.
No, so no matter now. When you say two Agbero boys they greet themselves. Oloshi, yeah, Oloshi, my blow away, yeah. But on a greeting though, at the end of the day, any which way you see na greeting. Some people they shake, they come out. Some people they abuse themselves. Yeah, Oloshi, easy way, na greeting. Which way, every culture and their own thing. You understand? So we don't leave out for that place. Chidinma, all of a sudden somewhere, boom! At the bath one morning, I just come out. Now I carry my phone. I see video. I say, hey, Chimo. Chichi. Na lie. You see a Chichi? Na lie. I can't be advocate on the thing. I say, na lie. It's not my girl. It's not my girl. We come and see a video of one girl. We just form champion on top one guy. They come from nowhere and say, na Chidinma. But me, I come to the video and say, no, it's not my Chidinma. I know the picture on my wall. It's not my Chichi. But how you could take handle that whole? Because I notice say you handle them well. You understand? You know, when they jump up and down, they say giddy.
I mean, as I think about that, Mom say, now you decide. I say no. Why are you going to bother yourself? And then later I come in Sultan don't say, oh ma, you are welcome to the game.
Welcome to the industry.
You know, so since that time I just you know. So as I did now, not saying if it happen.
If that kind of don't happen.
Waiting won't happen again.
Waiting won't happen past like that. Because seriously, I read one of your interviews where even your fans, them 90% of your fans say they stand by you saying a lie.
Yes,
some people don't even see
a lot
the video.
Of them.
Yes,
like some don't even see. I lie, no fit Chidinma. I don't even bother myself. Now one night, I just the house, I watch TV. I just carry my phone, normal Twitter. I just see one person Twitter. I say, maybe no be my own Chidinma. I just leave am. Omo, I go sleep. The next morning like this.
Popular Jesus.
Hey! I say Jesus not like this.
Trending
I
things.
just quiet.
Hi.
I gentle that time.
To come back, it go hard you now.
So which kind thing be this?
Exactly.
Waiting I do these people.
But that girl resemble you finish. Is it that video?
Die.
I watched it like 20-something times.
Die.
I said, play it again. Pause. Chidinma. No be cheating. I said, no. Chidinma get 1 mark for this. This girl not get mark. I can't find mark when not
the
do.
27 times when you watch that video, because of Chidinma and because of you.
Easy beat now.
Nice one.
No. Actually, you are not far from the truth or the statements where you make. You understand? But actually, the first thing for my mind, I say no. This not girl, not my girl. I cannot come at the. But easy beat. Don't I tell you now? You dey crazy. You're not serious. You understand me now? But it really show one thing because based on it show even the relationship with your mom. See. It show at that point. For mom, it's don't look say, my pikin forget, go outside, go. Not be you did that be, go. What's the relationship with you and moms? How it be like?
We are very close. Very, very close. Maybe because me and Popsy know they too close.
Okay.
Like that, yeah. So they're very Mopsy. So don't do like that, Tete. Now she always day house, she always day around, you know. So based on that kind of thing, yeah. So now she I dey close to.
But how her your relationship with mom don't take affect your music so far?
A whole lot.
Okay,
a
so
whole lot. Because sometimes even if I dey write,
yes.
you know, sometimes I think I'm say okay. She my mom still feel listen to this kind.
Okay.
Music.
Sometimes now she be the yardstick. Now she be the one with the judge you to say, if my man no go fit listen to this thing, make her not bring her come. If not, I go hear preaching.
I know be small preaching. Like she sabi preach. She fit preach from morning till night. Sometimes be like, I beg you don't do this woman, make you hear what. I remember that time when she see the video with Flavor.
Yeah.
I can't reach house. So she not talk anything, no. So my sister tell me say, Omo, you get query. I say, I beg leave that house. And that's why she can't come out of. So just the I say she no go remember. I say, say that video, say you pass your boundary. I say, mommy, wait, which one you pass? Not be just acting. He say, no, that was too far. I say, I beg you, leave that house.
No, because seriously, because for that video,
No, wait first. Wait first.
Okay, talk.
That scene, first of all, you know real.
Oh no! Chidinma, wait, I go say no real. Even me, as I did like this time, he didn't pay me. He don't pay my monsieur. Now me pay pass. Come when I see the thing, we don't want like this. It go happen.
Wait.
It go happen. You don't near. It happen. Hey, Chichi, my girl. For like 4 years, I was broken-hearted. It never reached 4 years, sorry. But for the several, he paid me. Several months. I locked myself inside that room. They just give me the fast food, give me. You cannot really come out. I say, Chidinma, Chichi, you are broken my heart. You understand? So you say you're not real now.
No. You're not real.
Now,
see, me, Seb, as I see the edits, they just carry and come.
Yeah.
Just they watch them. I just look. Like this. That's so the thing just happened. I said, how did it come be like this? The thing just looks so real.
So wait, say you not there, Flavor not there. I be waiting.
I beg you.
I be there put.
No, be that one.
I be there put nylon for na front like this. So yeah, Flavor start for here. Chidinma start for here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Action.
They can't disappear the nylon. That lie, Joe. Wait it. Say that Nollywood film. Wait it happen. We know. I don't ask again. Wait it. No, seriously, they paid me. They paid me, Chichi. They paid me. Seriously, how you call this? Because me.
Oh my God.
Anyway, I will not leave her because I know say in an artistic something. So I know we just judge the same person like that. If not,
you don't get choice now.
I don't get choice. I know. But anyway, who's that?
Some people even they use slow motion. Put
They press it in
slow motion. They look and.
They look and pin.
But waiting, I won't talk. I don't feel convincing us. So anyhow, anything when I.
But we look at from musical video side because we trust the brand. Now they be our the only thing they hope on now. You understand?
I know.
Because we trust the brand, Chidinma. If not, the the one for to change them for you. All right, but like this, quickly, before I can enter into my dramatic mode, sharply. Now we know say very soon down. By next week we'll carry you come back this show. You understand? One new video is dropping very soon. I will not say until that time. But what you they work on now?
My album.
The album. Don't they wait to?
I know. August.
Okay.
Yes.
By August.
First week. I know I'll give you dates now. The first week of August.
Okay. Oh, I go remember that because of my birthday month. But that's why I always look forward to say,
okay.
By this time.
But I get some videos to drop though.
Okay.
Even after this 1 round job, I still get like maybe 2 more to drop.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So basically, this year Chidinma album is dropping.
Yes.
Enough albums full this year, Chidinma.
Too much.
Almost everybody who don't carry come say this year
the drop. The video they drop. Why they call they drop?
People. Everybody drop this year.
Album time.
Bless it.
Blessed time.
All right. But okay, quickly now, we'll need to go on this sharply break. And by the time we come back from this final break, we'll come and wrap stuff with a Chidinma on top of every, okay? She has been an amazing guest on the show. And also, I'm not the feeling for us, all right? But anyway, she will not go anywhere. They come back now. One go begin the teacher. One go begin the woman, change them for her like this. You know, some parents they do that in a way. Your parents, your mom ever follow you do assignment before? Where you can't fail.
No,
you can't go to school. You can't carry a cup and say, Mommy, we failed the assignment. That be we. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we still get Chidinma in the building. And to be like this now, we want to come and wrap up every on top of the show and things. Chicho!
Waiting.
If I want to come and let you go now, but I'm not letting go in my heart, you understand? You still belong in my heart, you understand? So, you understand? So quickly, you know, say I will still go show you the proof for room.
Yes.
So that is still another activity in the forward, you understand? But at the same time now, easy bit. I feel like sing one music
for her
with Chidinma here.
Okay.
When she go sing, then all of us will just sing music.
I know what we did here. We did together.
No. See, now this, and that's why you take the escape walk sometimes. You just say, we did here. No, nobody has to be talk with that.
Okay, what do you think I thought?
Just see something. You dey press phone, see who they follow the chat.
No, not anybody.
Wait, you do Yahoo for
them. And I type message for Chidinma, I'm not sure.
You do it?
I type message for Chidinma.
For Chidinma?
Yes.
Okay, read the message.
I say for Chidinma, not be for you.
Okay. Oh, yeah, read that for her now.
Now you're reading.
It's not my hearing. It's not my for my show.
Now for me alone.
Chidinma, you said they encourage her for this. It's not good though. And then or
He
day one
say
place
he
they
get
eye
message.
something.
What's it cause I'm
Easy bit self can't do they watch now. Make the show
he say he
finish
won't
now.
read message for me.
For you.
Now my name they there.
Easy
Not be your name, not be there.
Now we invite and come this show. Not be make you come and send message to read. You understand? From now you will submit your phone. You hear me now? Because I will show you attitude.
No expo.
In a new hand Kuba. I add 2 different languages together.
I didn't tell
what
you.
What you buy instead? In a new hand Kuba. I want to learn Igbo way.
Where are you from, Seth?
Delta and Akwa Ibom. So now Delacroix. or Aqua there. Now that state.
Aqua there.
I think we follow Buhari talk with the create that state, you understand? So we'll see the reason the whole thing together now. So, Chidinma, how do you follow you on top social media?
Okay, they don't hack my Twitter account.
The evil people. All those
people.
evil, wicked people.
So I don't change them, you know.
Okay.
So I don't change them now. Now official Miss Kedike. So the official Chidinma, the Chidinma Ikile, no, they work again.
Okay.
Now official Miss Kedike.
Official
But Instagram,
Miss Kedike.
yes, official Miss Kedike. But Instagram is still at Chidinma Ikile.
Okay. Talk that Instagram on, make the year well.
At Chidinma Ikile. Yes.
So not hear very, very well now. So album this year.
This year.
More videos they come before even
before
the album will
album.
even launch self and every.
Yeah.
Chidinma, they wish you the best of the best of
Thank
every,
you.
you know.
Thank you so
and
much.
because you know we are loving you very, very much. Please, I beg, I take God beg you, Chidinma, please. Makachineke.
Listen.
Please. Not do face like that now.
Okay.
Wait.
I won't ask. I won't
Chidinma,
ask for no leave, so I dey try
Make I even
rehearse.
ask you this question, sef. Anybody there?
For where?
You dey date person now?
That's if you talk. Why you going to
No, I think of the right way to put it before you sound rude to a girl. Anybody?
No, you won't fill in the space.
I don't mind. You understand?
Okay. Call me now. Get requirements. I will give you list.
List day. So list for dating day. Then list for marriage
Yes,
day.
so
Easy.
easy.
Tina land with the buy.
In past land, though.
Inheritance.
No,
Anyway, Chidinma, thank you very much.
Thanks
Say you
for
just on
having
top of the show, and like I just talked just now, they wish you the best.
Thank you.
Make sure say you represent well, as you don't do before now, and that brand we don't they keep before now, just continue to keep on like that
I will
because
try.
some people they will go always they look to say okay yes now this one they do and well, and the good things we go follow and must follow you.
Yes,
It must follow you, and you know go follow our hand. You know, we
Amen.
believe you say you no go follow our hand. I no go for God hand. Sef.
Amen.
And big let's shout out to your male. Momsy. We say shout out to
We
you.
love you.
God bless you. We love you. We love you. We love you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, we'll say good night to everybody. And I also now don't enjoy every on top of the show like this now. So get better night. God bless all of you. My name as usual, Michael, but they call me ogbolor. You understand?
Ogbolor.
Ogbols, baby. You know, you go funky find it.
Ogbolor.
You know, yeah, so easy beats and I will not say good night to all of you now.
Good night.
God bless everybody.